He's out the back of my building.
I can see out the back of your building. Oh yeah, yeah, he's straight across from me. He's foxed up a bit. He's in the street. He's shooting me through the wall. He's trying to shoot me through the wall. Running back towards you. Running back towards you, Sean. He's out the back of your building trying to shoot me. Sean.
Yeah.
He's just ran. He's just ran. Someone else. There's someone else in the street. There's more. Who's that?
Oh, he's done me. He's outside to your right.
Someone else. Someone else.
He's got me. Fuck, there's one in the building across the road. Back.
Yeah, I'm gonna get him.
I don't understand how many shots the fucking...
Through the entry.
I got him.
Oh, yeah.